Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to perform a universal calibration of your battery so that it holds a charge much better than usual. When you buy a new phone, yes, your battery holds its charge normally, but then literally a month, or 2 or 3 months, goes by. You use your phone differently, charging it at different times. Moreover, you might charge your phone not from 0 to 100%, but at different capacities. And all this gradually, little by little, unbalances your battery. Of course, your smartphone has many different hidden processes that affect your phone's battery life. But today I'll show you just one simple method that can be used on almost any phone to improve these parameters and make your battery perform much better and last much longer. I'll tell you everything and show you now. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, watch. To do this, you need to find the standard settings on your phone. Click here. Next, you'll see a line that says, Information about your phone, or Device Information. Click it. Now you need to scroll down and find the line that shows your device details. This means your RAM, internal storage, your processor, and so on. On some phones, it may be called something else. The point is that you need to get to this menu, where your memory, processor, and so on are shown. There. Now scroll down, and it's very important to find a setting called your kernel version. That's what it's called, the kernel version. Now, to access the hidden secret menu, you need to quickly tap this line about 5 to 7 times. I'll take it right here, tap it, and look, I'm immediately taken to this secret menu. You need to scroll almost to the very bottom. On some devices, there will be fewer or more of these names. In any case, find the one that's responsible for the battery. For me, it's at the very bottom. I'll tap the battery line. And here, all you have to do is tap the OK button. Now look. If you return to this menu again, you'll see a green light like this. That means everything's fine, and you've done everything correctly. After that, just exit this menu and do a normal reboot of your phone. After that, you'll be surprised how much better your battery life will be and how much longer it will last throughout the day.